the first question is 28 x power 4 is equal divide 56 x. Okay, simply will be solved is 28 x power 4 upon 56 x. It's mean 28 into x will be 4 times, and 56 into x will be cancelled. Okay, and 28 and 48 by the 7 4 is 28 and 7 8 is 56 and 4 1 is 4 4 2 is 8. So that the answer is 1 upon 2 and x will be 3 times, 1 2 3, that is x power 3. So this is the after division, this is the answer. Okay, now simply the second question is minus 36 y cube divided by 9 y square. Okay, they will solve is 36 y power 3 of minus sign and 9 y power 2. It's mean minus 36 and y will be 3 times and 9 and y will be 2 times. Okay, the 2y cancel, 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36. So it's mean answer is minus 4y. Okay, and third question is 66 p q square and r cube divided by 11 q r square. Okay, then solve is 66 p q square and r cube upon 11 q r square. That the 66 p 1 time, q 2 time and r will be 3 times. 11 q r will be 2 times, they are 2 cancel and q cancel. Then 11 1 is 11, 11 6 is 66. So only 6 remaining p and q and r. So this is the answer of 6 p q r. Okay, now fourth question. Now in this question, fourth question is 34 x power 3 y power 3 and z power 3 divided by 51 x y square and z cube. Okay, now solve by the 34. X will be 3 times, one time you write cube upon y cube and z cube. Next is 51 x y square and z cube. Okay, and write the factor form of given numbers. Then we write 34. 34 is a x 3 times, y 3 times and z 3 times. Okay, and divided by 51 x 1 time, y 2 times and z is 3 times. Okay, now we z there 3 times, 1 2 3 1 2 3 and y 2 times cancel and x is 1 time. Okay, and then numerator value 17, that is table of 2 1 is 2 2 7 is 14, but 51 is not divided by 2. So you write the 17 2 is 34 and 17 3 is now 17 into 3 is 51 or 17 into 2 is 34. So that the answer is 2 upon 3. X will be 2 times the power 2 and y only 1 time. So this is the answer of after after solution. Okay, now last is in this last question is question number 5th. is 12a square b square, the value of 8, and divided by minus 6a power 6 and b power 4. Okay, so that's right. 12a power 8. 8 power 8 means how many times? 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and b always 8 times into b 4. Okay, and divided by minus 6 a 6 times and b 4 times. Okay, 6 2 is a 12 and minus will become that minus 2 is all come, that 4 is 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, a power 2, and b is a 4 times, so 4 cancel and b power 3. So that the answer is minus 2 a power square to b. That the first question is 5x square in the bracket 5x square minus 6x and divisible by 3x. Okay, here really question is, it is the binomial terms and divided by monomial, and first question will be solved monomial to monomial. Okay, so that we solve. Now 5x square minus 6x upon 3x. Okay, here will binomial terms will be common terms. Common terms will be, the both are the x will be one time, that x common, and only 5x minus 6 will be remaining in the bracket, and this 3x, that x cancel. In the given the answer is 5x minus 6 upon 3. So this is the answer. Okay, so this question, this pattern will be used in binomial to monomial. Okay, similarly second question is 3y power 8. 3y power 8 is the second question. Okay, minus 4x minus 4 y power 6 and plus 5 y power 4 is divisible by y power 4. Then we write 3 power 8 minus 4 power 6 plus 5 power 4 and divide by y power 4. Okay, and all terms 3 4 5, they are unlike terms 3 4 5, but y is like terms, that y power 4 y power, here we will simply write here that 3y power 4 and y power 4. Okay, and minus 4 y power 2 and y power 4 and plus y power 4 upon y power 4. That be y power 4 common, that write the 3y power 4 minus 4y power 2 and plus only 5 upon y power 4. Y power 4 y power cancel. The answer is 3y power 4 minus 4y power 2 plus 5. So after division the answer is 3y power 4 minus 4y power 2 and plus 5. Okay, now question number 3 is 8 x power 3 y power 2 and z power 2 plus x power 2 y power 3 and z power 2. Next is x power 2 y power 2 and z power 3, and divisible by is 4 x power 2 y power 2 and z power 2. First you find a common terms. Okay, common terms means that is the 8. X is 3 times, y 2 times, z 2 times. x 2 times, y 3 times, y 2 times, means in the two terms will be x, y, z is a 2 times are common, same. So we will write x square, y square and z square, their 3 terms will be common. Okay, 8 already common and x square, y square, z square common. So x square, y square, z, here will be x square into x, so that only x, plus here will be x square common, y 3 2 common, only 1, and z already square, plus x common, x square common, y square common and z 2 times common, and 1 will be remaining, that is the value of x, y, z, and 4 x square, y square and z square. So 4 to the 8 and x, y, z square, x, y, z square is cancelled, that is a 2 x plus y plus z is a answer of after division. ठीक है. Okay, now next question is x power 3 plus 2x square plus 3x is the question number 4, and division by 2x. Those polynomial will divided by first you find the such कि all quantity will be common या not common, means that x power 3 plus 2x power square plus 3x and division by 2x. Okay, here will be 1 2 3, it's mean कि मैं constant value are not common, but variable is x power 3, x square and x, so x will be 3, all 3 terms, and that x common, that x square plus 2x plus 3 and 2x cancel, and x square plus 2x plus 3 upon 2 is a after division, that is the answer. Okay, now here will be question number 5. Question number 5 will be similarly to question number 1 2 3, that p power 3 and q power 6 minus p 6 times and q is 3 times will divided by p3, p power 3 and q power 3 is the question number 5th. Okay, similarly to write p power 3 and q power 6 minus p power 6 and q power 3 upon p power 3 q power 3, means your common terms will be minimum power of value. Minimum power of value means that p 3 times or p 6 times, so 3 and 6 will be, they will write that p 3 q 3 and q 3, because base are same, they are plus 3 3 6, and minus p3 and q3, the 6 will be extend to 2 terms upon p power 3 q power 3, then p power q, the common terms of this is the common terms. Okay, they will write p power 3 q power 3 is q power 3 minus p power 3 upon p power 3 q power 3, this is the cancel of terms, answer is q power 3 minus p power 3. So the first question is 10x minus 25 is division by 5. Okay, here will we start is this term will be common, here 10x, that means 10x minus 25 upon 5, 10 and 25, there will 5 will be common, 2x minus 5 upon 5, 5 cancel is 2x minus 5, 10x minus 25, 10x and 10 and 25 will be common, the 5 terms, 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25, that 5 cancel to 5, is answer is 2x. Okay, now second is 10x minus 25 is divisible by 2x minus 5. Okay, now write the 10x minus 25 upon 2x minus 5. Okay, upper quantity will be 10. 10 means 2 into 5 x, and 25 is 5 into 5. So that 5 is a common terms of both are. So you write the 2x minus 5. 5 will be common. Remaining is 2x minus 5 upon 2x minus 5. And the whole quantity 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 cancel. Answer is a 5. Okay. Next is question is given is 10y in the bracket is 6y plus 21 divided by 5 and 2y plus 7. Okay, now solve. Is 10y 6y plus 21 is divided by 5 and 2y plus 7. Okay, first will be 5 to 10. Okay, that will be 2y. 6 will be right 2 into 3 y plus, and this is the factor is 3 into 7 upon 2y plus 7, and common terms is a 3. So 3 will be common here. 2y into 3 common is 2y plus 7 upon 2y plus 7. 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 cancel. 3 2 3 is 6. So that is the answer of 6y. And question number, next is question number 5. Question number 5 is given is a big question. A fourth. This is the question number 3rd, and question number 5 fourth is 9x square y square in the bracket 3z minus 24 is divided by 27 xy in the bracket is z minus 8. Okay, now solve. 9x square y square 3z minus 24 upon 27 xy z minus 8. First will be solved. 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and x square means 2 times. Okay, one time you write the factor, no problem, is easily x into x and y into y. Okay, in bracket 3z minus 3 into 8. Okay, 8 3 is 24, that is a 3 and z minus 8. X, y and z minus 8. That will be x cancel, y cancel, and 3 will be common terms. So you write 3xy. 3 is outside. Okay, now z minus 8 upon 3 z minus 8. So z minus z is cancel. 3 also cancel. That answer is x into y. Okay, now third question will complete. Now fourth question is next is question number 5. Question number 5 is similarly to solve. Okay, now is question number 5 is 96 ABC in 3a minus 12 and 5b minus 30 and divisible by 144 in bracket a minus 4 and b minus 6. Now 96 upon 144 into A, B, C. Okay, here will be 3A minus 3 into 4. Here will be 5B minus 5 into 6. 30 is a 5 into 6, 12 is A minus 4 and B minus 6. Okay, now cancel with this 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 8 ja 16. 2 7 ja 2 2 ja again 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8 is 36. Again 2 1 ja 2 12 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 2 6 ja 2 9 ja 2 3 ja 3, 3 2 ja and 3 3 ja. Okay, so after cancellation is the value of finally 2 upon 3. Okay, and A, B, C, down is A minus 4 and B minus 6. Okay, now 3 will be common of first term. You write 3 A minus Z. Second will be common is 5 terms will be common, 5 value, that B minus 6. Now 3 to 3 cancel, A minus Z cancel, B minus 6, B minus 6 cancel. Remaining is 2 A, B, C and 5, means that is a 10 A, B, C is the final answer. Is given 5 in the bracket 2x plus 1 and second bracket is 3x plus 5 is divided by is 2x plus 1. Okay, then we write 5 2x plus 1 and second bracket 3x plus 5 and divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, the 2x plus 1 cancel, is the remaining is 5 into 3x plus 5 is a answer. Okay, now second is 26 xy and x plus 5 and second bracket is x y minus 4 is divided by 13 xy, only x, in the bracket is y minus 4. Okay, the direct divide is y minus z, y minus cancel, x to cancel x, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. So that is a 2y is x plus 5 is a answer of this question. Okay, now the third question of this question is 52 is PQR and P plus Q, second bracket Q plus R and third bracket R plus P. Okay, and divided by 104 PQ, the bracket of Q plus R, second bracket R plus P. So that R plus P cancel, Q plus R cancel, QR QP cancel, only will be remaining 52 upon 104 and R P plus Q. Then we solve 54, 51 and this is 1 upon 2, that is a 1 upon 2 R P plus Q, and write the R P plus Q upon 2. 52 into 2, 2 2 is a 4, 2 5 is a 10. Okay, and the next question is next is The fourth question is 20 in bracket y plus 4 second bracket y square plus 5y plus 3 and divided by 5y plus 4. Simply 5 1 is 1, 5 4 is 20, y plus 4 cancel. It means 4 bracket is 4 square plus 5y plus 3 is a answer. Okay, and next is fifth question. X, that x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3 and divided by x and x plus 1. So that the x cancel to x and x plus 1 to cancel x plus 1 is x plus 2 and x plus 3 is a question number 5. Question number 5 is question number 1 2 3 4 5 4 is a simple division. There is start to question number 5. It's called the factorize the expressions. First will be factorize the expression, then after the end divide as the directed. Okay, so first will be factorize. So factorize law is a plus b whole square is write the a plus b and 2 times of a plus b is finally is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This last class will be already learned that a square minus that a minus b and a square minus 2ab plus b square, and next is a plus b and a minus b is finally write the answer is a square minus b square is the 3 identities, and fourth identities is x plus a and x plus b is write the x square plus a plus b x plus a into b. So here will be start. First will be factorize, use the 3 identities, 4 identities, then after you solve the after do division, because first will be factorize. Okay, now we'll write y square plus 7y plus 10 and divided by y plus 5. Okay, now compare the identities, because no any terms will be common. 3 terms are unlike terms, that 7 and 10 is the like the terms of first identities is the last term is not a square form, because 1 2 3 identities will be last b value is a square form, but 10 is not a any square root. Okay, suppose here will be 9, so that 9 is a square root of 3, that is a 10 is not any square root of number. Now use the 4 identities, will write is form of y square plus in 2 numbers and plus same 2 numbers will be multiply, and down will be x plus 5. So 10 will be in factor is 2 into 5 and 2 into 5 is a 10, and 2 plus their same number will be add, just subtract, they will come as the 7. It means you write the 2 plus 5 and here we will write the 2 into 5. Okay, now we solve y square plus, and you directly write the in identities, you not write the identity or solve x square plus open the bracket and 2y plus 5y plus 2 into 5 upon y plus 5 open the bracket, y is 2y, again y to multiply by 5 is 5y. Okay, and of 1 there are 2 terms and next 2 terms. The first 2 terms will be common the value of y, that y plus 2 only, and second terms will be common of 5 because 5 is a common terms. Okay, to write y plus 2 upon y plus 5. Okay, now next term, 1 terms in second term will be put the plus 1 terms in second term, so y plus 2 is a common, and next will be remaining is y plus 5 upon y plus 5. That the y plus 5 I cancel, then the y plus 2 is a remaining answer. Okay. Now next, in this fifth question, you have all question will be first be factorized, then after solve the equation. Now m square minus 14m minus 32 upon m plus 2. Okay, this is the question number second. Again will be 32 is not any number square root, to use the third identities. Third identities means fourth identities. X square plus, you see two numbers, that m and minus, they are same numbers. Okay, and write m plus 2. Here will be 32. 32, which two number will factor of 32? 2 into 16. 2 into 16 is 32. Okay, and 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. There is the 14, but here the value of minus 14. Minus 14 means you write minus 16 plus 2 is equal to 14 will minus. So two numbers is, first number is 2 into minus 16. Okay, and here we will write 2 minus 16. Okay, now that m square plus, open the bracket, is 2m minus 16m minus 2 into minus 16 after multiplication upon m plus 2. Okay, now first two terms will common of value of m, that remaining is m plus 2 only, minus, here will be two terms, will 16 will common, that m minus 16 common, that will be minus 2 at plus 2, minus will be common. Okay, now it is noun is m plus 2, again two terms, first term and this is the second term, so that m plus 2 is, and m minus 16 upon m plus 2. M plus 2 common, cancel, m minus 16 is a answer. Okay, in the two terms m plus 2 is common, that in the first term you common to m plus 2, remaining is m minus, here m plus 2 will be common, then remaining is 16. This is the second question. Now third question is (5p square minus 25p plus 20 upon p minus 1 is a third question. Okay, 5p square minus 25p plus 20 up divided by p minus 1. Okay, so now this time 5p is not any identity will be matched. So first will be write the 5 will be common, so write the p square minus, here will be 5 will be common, that 5p, here 5 common, this means plus 4 upon p minus 1. Okay, p square 5 and 4. Okay, then we write fourth identities again, that 5 is p minus, in small bracket you write the p plus 2 numbers in bracket close upon p minus 1, and 4 will be factor of 2 into 2, it is the 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Okay, but here is a 3, so then second is a 4 multiply 1 is equal to 4, there are two factor, but here comes a 5 will be minus, so that minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5, and minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to only 4, so that the value of minus 4 and minus 1. Okay, and this is the minus 4 and minus 1, here put the plus, because minus this value will compare. Okay, now write the 5 in bracket p multiplication minus 4p, here we multiplication minus 1p, and plus minus 4 and minus 1. Okay, p minus 1, the two terms and next two terms. First term will be common is 5, is p common, that p minus 4. Okay, and second term minus only 1 common, they will write p minus 4. Okay, minus 1 is common and here we minus 1 common, to write the p minus 4 and p minus 1. And again two terms, first term is p in bracket p minus 4, second is a p minus 1 and p minus 1. So that common terms is 5 p minus 4 is common, that remaining is p and minus 1 upon p minus 1, p minus 1, p minus 1 cancel, that 5 p minus 4, that is the answer. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 is 4yz in the bracket z square plus 6z minus 16 upon 2y and z plus 8. Okay, again will we use the identities on number 4. Okay, first will we cancel y to y, cancel 2 to the 4, so then the is remaining is 2z, the bracket in the bracket is z square plus in two terms will be factor in z and minus here will be value upon z plus 8. Okay, now 6 is a value of two number, the same number we multiply by the two same number we multiply, that answer is minus 16, so that write 2 into 8 is equal to 16 and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, so you write 8 minus 2. Okay, and here will be like a plus, no problem, here we will write two number 8 and minus 2. Okay, not only plus 8 to the 16, you write the multiplication sign, 8 to the 16 and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now we solve, same method is 2z z square plus first multiply second multiply, first multiply 8z, second multiply 2z and minus 8 into 2 bracket upon z plus 8, again will be here the first two terms and second two terms. First two terms will z value as common, you write 2z in the bracket, z will be common, remaining is z plus 8. Okay, here we will 2 is common and minus common, so minus 2 is outside and z plus 8 upon z plus 8. Again first is 2 and 2 terms. Okay, and both terms will be z minus 8, z plus 8 is a common, you write 2z z plus 8 common, z plus 8 common, remaining is only z, and z plus 8 common, remaining is minus 2 upon z plus 8, z plus 8 cancel, if the value is 2z is z minus 2. So this is the answer of after dividation. Okay, now next is next question is 5p cube is the fifth question is 5pq and p square minus q square divided by 2p and p minus q. Okay, now write 5pq and p square minus q square upon 2p and p minus q. Okay, here p to p cancel and 5q upon 2 p square q square is a square minus b square, will be use the p minus q and p plus q upon p minus q. We write the identities of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, and p minus q cancel. Finally answer is 5q bracket p plus q and upon 2. Okay, and next two question is homework.